Phentermine is a prescription medication used for the treatment of obesity. This is an oral medication that was FDA approved for weight loss in 1959. Like any other weight loss medication, it must be used in conjunction with a specific dietary plan that is tailored for you. When taken as directed, Phentermine can help you lose weight by reducing your appetite, thereby making it easier to stick to a lower calorie dietary plan. It works by blocking specific hunger and even some cravings pathways that feed into your brain, leading to decreased hunger and increased feeling of fullness. Of interest, Phentermine was the other half of a popular drug called Fen-Phen back in the 1980s. It was taken off the market because of some serious side effects. However, it was the other medication in Fen-Phen that was a culprit, not Phentermine. To date, Phentermine is one of the oldest weight loss medications available worldwide with a very good safety profile. Before starting Phentermine for weight loss, make sure you see a healthcare provider to confirm that you are a good candidate for the medication. It does come with some contraindications and possible side effects. Phentermine should only be taken under the care of a medical provider. If you're interested in learning more about Phentermine or other weight loss medications and effective evidence-based weight loss plans, please reach out to us at healthymeweightloss.com. This is our specialty, and we would love to talk with you about a plan that is right for you.